And this is a Palestinian. This is an old man who is supposed to be receiving some sort of respect, and he's been spoken down at by a little 18-year-old. Anyway, so you sit there, and then eventually they call your name, and then a young lady, and don't think it's a coincidence that they're ladies. It's not a coincidence that they're ladies. Then a young lady will come over, she calls you out, and then you got to follow her. You walk into the room, you sit down. Who are you? Why are you here? And then she starts to ask, why have you come to Palestine? And what, sorry, they call it Israel. But why are you here? What business do you want from here? Why do you choose to come here? Why didn't you just go straight home? Full on. And this can carry on. She'll talk to you for about half an hour, then she'll tell you to go back, and then you sit an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, then she'll come back, she'll call you back out, she'll ask you the same questions again, then she'll send you back, then you sit down for an hour, 2 hours, and then and then someone else will come and call you out, and then they'll also ask you the same questions, then you'll go back, and then you sit for an hour and for 2 hours, until eventually you lose whatever love and whatever desire you had to go in is lost. And then they tell you come in. That's if they tell you come in. And then from as soon as you walk in, you can feel the oppression. You travel on their roads, and for kilometers on end, concrete high walls.